nice to see him. I hadn't seen him in a while. Old friend of mine. Well, it's a little damp and chilly, but not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, slow down. Yeah, speeding past me got you where? Got you the same light as me. Didn't get anywhere any faster. Well, still a little chilly outside, but not too bad. I just need to get home before the rain gets here. And, I should be able to do that without any trouble. Looks like most of the rain that is forecasted is well to the west of me, so should be good on that front. I was not trying to make a weather pun, but you could take that if you wanted. I will say, I think the nice thing about owning this bike, this particular bike, is it's kind of like having a built-in heater. Which is nice during the winter, not so much in the summer. Is that a police vehicle? I can't tell what that is. Stafford Police. Stafford Police. I don't recognize that one, so I have no idea where they're coming from. Made a U-turn, came back this way, so I'm not sure. Tell you what, riding gear sure makes a difference. Having the right stuff. Got swapped out gloves for the ride home. I had a feeling it was going to get a little chilly, and it turns out the temperature has been dropping all day. And also went ahead and put on, got sort of this, I don't even know what you call it, it's like a neck sleeve or something. Anyway, but yeah, this little piece I put around my neck, and yeah, so between the two of those, it's making a difference. Have my other jacket on and be nice and cozy right now. The temperature zone between 50 and 60 is kind of tricky sometimes. Supposedly we will be having rain tonight, and it looks like we may be having rain all the way into tomorrow morning. So that begs the question, to take four wheels, or do I suit up and take two? I guess we'll find out. See, I'm small enough I could just kind of like, you know, go down the side and yeah. Not worth the frustration. Somebody getting angry with me. Ooh, nice little Scion. There's a Subaru. An old Bel Air. And something else I can't see. Well, here we are. We're at the junction for Farm Road 1378. Ooh, Trans Am. I used to have a problem where I used to have a problem. I probably still have problems. I used to have this thing where I was so fascinated with cars. Basically anything with four wheels and a motor, but specifically if I could hear it, that was even better. Or if it caught my eye. But I used to have this problem where I seriously would be in the middle of legitimate serious conversations and would avert my attention because I saw or heard, you know, like an old hot rod or Camaro, or, you know, some Mopar would drive by, or maybe it was some truck. I've since gotten myself not to do that so much. People are a little more important than vehicles. But yeah, anyway. And the sound changed because I had to flip my face shield up because it's kind of fogging up. I was here first. Yeah.